Okay, let's look at C for a second, and then I'll look at D. All right, because D has a fraction. I know it's freaking some of you guys out. Okay, for C, I'm going to do log of 3. So let's do log base 3, because that's a base 3 right there. And I'm going to do log base 3 of this side. Hopefully it works out all pretty and nice and stuff. So then we have 4x minus 2 down in front of the log, multiplying to the log, base 3 of 3. Now remember what we said about these logs. It means what power of 3 gives me 3? Well, what power of 3 gives me 3? Oh no! Okay, so we're saying bye to him, and we're making him a 1, and 1 times 4x minus 2 is just going to be 4x minus 2. I know, I'm sorry, it's at the bottom of the screen, but you have to deal right now. Okay, and this one says log base, oops, let's drop the exponent. X plus 2 times log base 3 of 27. What power of 3 gives me 27? 3. So we have 3 times the x and the 2, so we get 3x plus 6. And then we solve this dowge. Get all the x values on one side, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I get x on the left side. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and so I get 8 on that side. My answer is x equals 8.
I did it.
Yeah, no problem, right? Now look over here at this fraction one. I would choose 4 on this, log base 4. So if I write log base 4 here, I would write log base 4 over here. But watch what happens now. Alright, I'm going to drop this 2x, so 2x is down in front, multiplying to this log base 4 of 4. And you guys know what log base 4 of 4 is, right? Oh no! Okay, and then over here I'm going to drop this 3x. 3x goes in front of the log base 4 of 1/4. Okay, now since it's just this really simple looking fraction, there's a 1 on top, we can use, you could do it without the 1 on top too, but I would only do it with the 1 on top. Alright, what can we do with that? Like, how can I flip that inside? Yeah, you can. If you flip that, right? Yeah, if you flip that, then you're going to make this log into a negative. So we're going to have negative 3x log 4 of 4.
Why is the negative?
Because I flipped the fraction inside the log. That's one of your properties. Check out the summary at the end of lesson 15. It tells you, or at the end of this lesson right here, it tells you that if you flip the fraction inside of a log, you just change the sign of it. And so I just put a negative on the 3 now, since the log is multiplying to the 3 anyways. And what is log base 4 of 4?
1.
Oh no! So it's almost like they go away, because when I multiply by 1, it does nothing.
Wouldn't that be no solution though?
I'm going to finish this just because of that comment, Casey. Alright, so we have 2x equals 3x, negative 3x. Now, our job is to get x alone on one side. Right now we have an x on both sides. So let's get the x on one side. What would you do to get the x on one side? Well, we can add 3x to both sides since we don't like fractions. So now I have 5x equals, what is negative 3x plus 3x? 0. And then if I divide both sides by 5, what do I get?
0.
0. Is the answer no solution?
No.
Oh, the answer is 0.